Hi everyone, my name is Mario and today we're gonna be talking about Google Forms and Google Sheets and how to use them to make your own sign up forms and put them in your site in Google site. So let's go right into the video. Okay, so let's begin. Type in Google Forms, search for Google Forms sign in. They will automatically sign you into your Google account. So just click on blank form and here's your form. And now you need to copy the URL of Google Forms. Here I did it wrong, so I'm gonna do it again. Go back to the initial page and copy the URL of the initial page, not the form. Now that this is done, let's test it out. It worked, so we're gonna continue now. Now we have the form title and form description. For the form title, you need something simple like newsletter or newsletter sign up form. But for the description, you need something attractive. So when someone is visiting your sales page and sees the newsletter, the description needs to be something that attracts him to actually sign up to the newsletter. And now, since we're done with that, we need to make the form so they can put their name and email. Now for the name part, you need to put short answer, and instead of untitled question, just put name. And that should be it. And the name is important because when you're sending them emails, you need their names to put the names in the emails so they feel like you're talking to them. And make it so it's required for them to put their names. Now go to settings so you can make the best settings for these types of forms. Click on responses, go to collect emails and put responder input. And for the allow response editing, keep it off. And for limit to one person, also to one response, also keep it off. Now go to presentation and edit confirmation response and make it something like thank you for joining our newsletter or something simple. Now go to form defaults, collect email addresses by default, put verified. So this is all you need to do and everything should be in order. But there's only one step that we're missing. Go to responses and click on link to Google Sheets. They should sign you up automatically when you click on create new spreadsheet. And now everything that we put in the form is gonna be shown here, and when the person is gonna be signing in is also gonna be shown here, as in time, his name and his email are all gonna be shown here. And this is important because when we're gonna use Zapier to transfer subscribers to MailerLite and another free app that we're gonna be using, I'm going to talk about that tomorrow. We're gonna need this. This is like the basic and most important thing in this whole process. Now you need to click on send and copy the link, the URL link of this form, and transfer it into your sales page. Now after you go to your sales page and embed the URL, you will get this. And this should be the form and everything should work perfectly. Like if you don't write your name, you cannot submit it. If you don't write in a valid email, you cannot submit it. If you don't write the email and the name, you can't submit it. So you need to write both. And it doesn't matter if you write your email twice, like you submit once and then you submit with the same email another time. It doesn't matter. It's if you're gonna send someone an email and he has like 2 signups with the same email, he will get one email. It doesn't matter. That's how it works. It's just for when they unsubscribe and they want to resubscribe, so they write their emails again, and that is the only use for that email repetition thing, so they can re-sign up. That's it. It doesn't affect the emails that you send them. And now you can go and view the form in your sales page, and if you like it, publish the sales page, and that's it. You made a form. And tomorrow I'll be telling you how to automate the subscriber transfer to MailerLite using Zapier. So goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow.